Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So, children, again, welcome back to Maths Online class. Children, today in this video, I am going to do the revision of chapter number 1, that is pre-number concepts. This chapter is related to some topics like inside, outside, top, bottom, above, below, on, under, near, far, between, behind, front, up and down. So all these things, topics are related to chapter number 1, that is pre-number concepts. Children, I have already uploaded all the videos related to all these topics. You can watch it from my Pocket Study app. Now, related to all these topics, here are one exercise which I am going to explain you in this video. So, here are some fill in the blanks with some pictures with some options. You have to see the picture, choose the correct option and write down the answer. So, let's start with the first one. The bird is dash the cage. As you see, there is a picture of a cage and there is a picture of birds. And the options are outside and inside. Outside means outside the cage and inside means in the cage. Now read the sentence again. The bird is dash the cage. See the picture. Cage is there, bird is there. You can see the bird is inside or outside? Outside, because bird is there, not inside the cage, it is outside the cage. And the option is outside and inside. So the correct option is outside. So put the right on the word outside and write down the spelling of it. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Second sentence, a butterfly is flying dash the flower. Again you see the picture, a butterfly. There is a butterfly flying dash the flower. Flower is there. Options are above or below. Above means on the top and below means bottom, niche. So as you see, butterfly is above the flower. So the correct option is above. So put the right on the word above and write down the spelling A-B-O-V-E, above. Next one. The ball is dash the two trees. See, there are two trees. So the ball is between the two trees. Options are also there. One is below and one is between. As you know, below means down and between means in the middle. So the ball is dash the two trees. By seeing the picture, you can easily see the ball is between the two trees. So the between word is correct. Write down the spelling of between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. The boy is at the dash of the stairs. As you see, I have made some stairs and one boy is there. Options are top and bottom. Again, the meaning of top is on upper and bottom means down. So, the boy is at the dash of the stairs. Here is the stair. Now, where is the boy, children? It is on the top of the stair or bottom of the stairs? Yes, on the top of the stairs. So, the correct word is top. So, write down the spelling T-O-P, top. Next one. The leaf is dash the house. This is the leaf and this is the house. Options are near and far. Near means close and far means very far. So the leaf is dash the house. This leaf is just near the house. It is close the house. So the correct word is near. So write down the spelling N-E-A-R, near. The cup is dash the table. As you see, there is a table and cup is there. Options are under या on. Under means niche and on means upper. The cup is dash the table. So where is the cup? It is under the table. So the correct word is under. So write down the spelling U-N-D-E-R, under. Clear, children? So these are the filling the blanks related to all these topic. So I hope it is clear to you. Chapter number 1, revision work, pre-number concept. Now children, what you have to do, I have uploaded on this video. You have to watch it very carefully, this video, and you have to do the practice of chapter number 1, pre-number concept, as I am going to take the revision test on Tuesday and Wednesday, both the days of chapter number 1, that is pre-number concept. So watch it very carefully and do the practice of it. So that's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.